Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, this is Yash Saxena and you are watching Corpbiz. We are back with another interesting business idea for you. Today, we are going to talk about the camphor making business, or as you know it, kapoor making business. What is camphor? Let's talk about it. It is a translucent white solid which has an intriguing menthol-like smell and sour taste. It comes in two varieties. The naturally produced camphor comes from Japan, Vietnam and Taiwan from the camphor trees abundantly present there. And the synthetic camphor is produced in India from pine trees. The most common use of camphor is in religious activities and vapor ups. Now why is it that the India still produces only 17% of camphor here, whereas it imports for it is 80%. The typical Indian consumer's application of camphor for religious purposes that comes with exceptional purity has increased their belief and thereby their demand for implementing campphor's property to other various uses. So, let's discuss further no's and how's that will get you hooked up in becoming a part of the industry. Camphor manufacturing has a high market potential because it is still growing. Camphor's properties are giving rise to new applications for camphors. As a result, camphor is becoming more prevalent in virtually every industry. Let's have a look at its uses. Camphor tablet. The small camphor tablet is used for religious activities, most likely as samagri in puja, keeping the religious sentiments intact. Camphor powder. The main use of camphor powder is to make camphor tablets using die cast and is also used as a part of certain recipes for the type of food to build in aroma, thereby expanding its horizon in the beauty and food industry also. Camphor oils. Lastly, camphor oil is used as an aroma oil termed as essential oil, treating a number of conditions related to skin and hair, empowering the hospitality industries. It is also used in vapor rubs, medicines, etc. to improve chest congestion, thereby boosting the pharmaceutical industry too. As we have discussed the uses, it's time we move on to the manufacturing process and its requisites. If we talk about the raw material and machinery needed to make camphor tablets, you only need to purchase one main raw material, camphor powder. This raw material is easily available in the most places throughout the India. You can search online for the list of suppliers and dealers. This raw material is available for around rupees 425 per kilogram in wholesale price. The rates may also vary depending upon the places and zones within the country. Some dealers may also be selling for a much reduced price equivalent to 320 rupees per kilogram. Today, there are a number of manufacturers who make fully automated camphor making machineries. There is a special slot in the machine in which the camphor powder is formed and is filled. The final product is manufactured by the machine as camphor tablet or even camphor cups. When using this fully automated camphor machine, you have the convenience of selecting the molds in various sizes, including small, medium, big or manufacturing tablets. The size of the die used in casting tablets can be adjusted according to desired size as per your placed order. When searching the internet, you may come across a number of dealers and manufacturers who have their promotional websites on Google. You can collect the relevant details about the machine and then visit the dealer or contact him over the phone. You can also visit your local hardware store. A number of stores do sell these machines. Camphor making process. Let's talk about it. If you want to set up your camphor making business at home, then you have to learn the right way to make it. The machine is very lightweight and small in size. It can be installed on the top of any table in your house. If you are manufacturing camphor in a small scale, then you don't need to purchase a very expensive machine. Once the machine is installed on the table, you need to ensure that it is tightly gripped to the base or the stand. As the machine is attached to the external motor, so it is advisable that you have to take precautions to absorb shock or vibration. The machine needs an electric socket connection to ensure it is placed next to it. You can now get started with manufacturing camphor tablets. Firstly, you have to heat the camphor powder so it loses its moisture. You have to stuff the camphor powder in the machine to its capacity inside the hopper. After this, you have to switch the motor on. The machine is automated, so the powder will automatically fill the cast die. The cast will mold the camphor powder in the form of solid tablet. The entire process is performed fast, so you may not need much time to manufacture few hundred tablets in a day. Now, the tablet can be packed for dispatch. After all this, another important aspect of making any business successful is marketing. Camphor is very widely used product in India. You may find its market spread throughout the country. When marketing camphor product, oil, powder or tablet, you may have to make use of the different strategies. Camphor tablet is a product that has its wide use in the religious grounds. Camphor oil is used as a herbal oil in skin and hair care products. Camphor powder is used as an ingredient to make camphor tablets. When in India, you can target dealers who sell puja samagris, healthcare products or raw material for making camphor. The strategy you need to implement also depends on the quantity of your manufacturing. You can try and contact the small and big dealers within your local network or even place advertisements in the local newspapers. Area for camphor marketing is the product can be sold in various areas including places of worship, holy places, shops nearby, temples, retail shops, grocery stores, malls, etc. The selection of your buyer may depend on the quantity of the manufacturing. To start this business, you would be needing a licenses and mandatory registrations. For this, you need factory license, GST registration, PAN and Aadhaar cards, NOC from the Pollution Control Board, Udyog Aadhaar under MSME registration. This is where Corpbiz rolls in. Our experts will guide you to get these licenses and registrations. All you need to do is call on the given numbers. Till then, for more such content, keep watching Corpbiz. This is Yash Saxena signing off.